mountain pose. Pretty light show again tonight, but you won't be able to see it because I'm on my porch. So again, my goal is to do 5 yoga poses in nature, 5 days a week for 5 months. So that was mountain pose, and this is palm pose. Trying to keep my jaw relaxed. Pretty light show to the east. I don't know, not seeing it behind me. Okay, I have been trying to remember to do new yoga poses, and I think that I did this 2 years ago, and so this is kind of like if you're down on the ground, you do a cat-cow, so you would be on your hands and your knees, and you would arch your back for cat, but I'm going to just do my hands on my hips and put my shoulders forward, so I'm tucking in curling my spine. I don't really know where my weight is supposed to be in like my hips or anything like that. I didn't look the pose up. But I'm really needing to change my poses. And my spine is really needing help. And so cow is actually like where your stomach is sagging down. And so I don't know how to do this as a standing pose, but I'm just going to, so cat, cow. So I think you keep your head the same. And if my hands were down, my stomach would just be, oh, this really, really hurts. So I don't know how my hands would be if I'm up, but I'm just going to hold them there, but my stomach is sagging if I was, so I'm doing a standing cat-cow pose, and I'm just making it up today because I didn't look it up, but cat-cow. And I'm just going to do the wind chime because it's entirely too quiet. And then I'm going to do tree pose, light show to the west and the east. I can't see it south behind me, and I can't see north because my house is there, but okay. Okay, so then I'm going to do tree pose on the opposite foot, and this should be pose number 5. I did mountain pose, palm pose. My left leg, which is the one I'm standing on, is way harder for me to have balance, and I'm talking, not breathing. Okay, there you have it, and I will look up the cat-cow pose and see if I can get, do a better form.